boy band in the making. Maraming salamat, Scholars Bugway, San and Van. Alam nyo, kanina, binigyan kayo ng perfect 10. Dito sa performance na ito, ano kayang masasabi naman ng ating juror na si Mr. Gerard?
Tony, that's exactly what I was thinking. Do we have a new boy band here? Because that was definitely a real deal performance. That was the real thing. Congratulations.
Wow! Congratulations! Maraming salamat, Mr. Gerard. It was the real thing. Ang galing ninyong tatlo. Talagang nag-practice kayo mabuti. Congratulations. Mga kapamilya, tapos na ang lahat ng mga performances at ilang saglit magtatapos na ang botohan. Kaya ito nyo na ang pag-text para kina Christian at Iñaki para maging counted ang inyong mga boto. Ang desisyon ng viewing public at ang first major announcement of the evening sa pagbabalik ng Pinoy Dream Academy Season 2.
At saka ito yung kanilang genre.
The acapella of the other three was so much better than their fast.
Yeah. Yes.
Acapella. Even during rehearsals, the acapella naman of the three was really much better.
Yes. Oh, I give them a very good, very high marks for this palabas tonight.
Yeah, lahat sila.
Nasa kamay mo na kung sino kina Iñaki and Christian ang karapat-dapat pang pagpakuloy ng course sa Academy. Text DDH space name of scholar and send to 2331 for Globe, TM and Sun Cellular subscribers, 231 for Smart, Talk and Text and Addict Mobile subscribers. Ikaw naman ang magbibigay ng marka sa Scholar